Lafayette, Franklin, Union, and Wayne, and the following counties in Ohio: Montgomery and Preble. High wind warning remains in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Friday. Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Whitewater Valley of East Central Indiana and portions of the Miami